Well, hello, my friends, and thank you for tuning back in with your girl. So it's 2019, and we're going to kick this new year off with some awesome videos. So if you are brand new to our channel, hit that subscribe button down below. You are in for an awesome journey. Now, today we are focusing on a beautiful DIY that you can use for your wedding. So let's get started in today's tutorial. Hello, friends, and Happy New Year. I know it has been like 1.5 months since I have been in front of the camera. A lot of stuff, and I have such a busy schedule. However, I am in front of the camera, and I appreciate one of our community members reaching out to me on Monday and told me a couple things. Girl, you are so silly, and I so appreciate you. But anyway, in this tutorial today, hopefully you guys saw that post yesterday. One of my YT sisters did a very beautiful job on this DIY. You guys, so beautiful. And the reason why I wanted you all to catch that video is because a lot of the videos we're getting ready to do will be things that we're going to do for like organizational skills, wedding packages, wedding DIYs, a lot of things in that nature. So she did a wonderful alternative for things like that because we will be using like Silhouette or Cricut machines. So if you have not seen that video, check it out in the description box or check my comments down below because it will be pinned to the top. All right, friends. So remember in our last video, 2018, well, it wasn't the last video, okay? The one before that was the last video that I did showing our home. Now, I told you that I was going to be doing a DIY. Check this out. This is very cute. And you know, when everybody do like the sand ceremony, they're like pouring the sand in there and uniting and becoming one. I wanted to use something from the Dollar Tree that we can make this our very own and make it very inexpensive. So here are a lot of the items that you're going to be using. This is going to be inexpensive, quick, and I mean anybody can do it. However, if you have any questions, you can always hit a girl up on her email below. So I will see you all on Friday. Hopefully you all enjoy, and let's have a conversation. If you are new, did you catch my eyes? If you are new, my friend, we will love to have you. But what you have to do, don't click subscribe on the intro. You click subscribe right there at the bottom of the video. Once you click subscribe right there, a bell is going to come up. Then you're going to click that bell ringer. So every time a video uploads or a post uploads, anything like that, then you'll be able to catch the videos. You know, if YouTube is working with us, you already know how everything working, you know, we already know. So let's step off in our tutorial and hopefully you all enjoy, and I will see you all as we're doing this together. First, you want to make sure that your bottle is clean with rubbing alcohol. Now, once you rub it down with rubbing alcohol, we're going to be focused on this decal. So let's get to the bling. Now, next, we're going to be taking our bling and we're going to be wrapping it around there, making it our very own. This is a closer shot of it. We want to use this side where you're able to see the rhinestones, okay? Not the back side of it. So this is how we're going to start placing it onto our little DIY that we're doing today. So we're going to do it just like this as we add either hot glue or E6000. Now you can continue on doing this as far up as you would like to. So I'm just going to keep wrapping it around. Now remember to add E6000 or hot glue as you keep wrapping this up to the top. Make sure that the rhinestone part is showing. Now let me mention that you can go downward as well. So you don't have to go to the top. Just make sure that you do add your E6000 or hot glue to make sure it's secure. I'm gonna show you again, like just like that. Even if you're gonna go downward in a downward area, but I'm just gonna add that, you know, that diamond sticker that I've been showing you guys for quite some time right up in this area. So you can do it just as you want to do it. So this is what I did with mine. I just went all the way up and I just left a little bit of space. I think it looks good just like this. And I want to tell you guys, all I'm going to do is just take that diamond sticker that is $1 on 50% off at Hobby Lobby and place it right there, and just get these, you know, gems that you can get from Walmart for only 97 cents, and just place some, you know, randomly through it. And I think this is very beautiful for a wedding ceremony if you're doing the sand. I think it'd be so beautiful. And on the back, I just put day, everyone. Whatever day you get married, you can just put the date and your names on there. So I think it is beautiful, and I added some stones right there as well. So tell me, you guys, what you think down below. So that wraps it up for this DIY today, and I will see you all, let me see. I will see you all tomorrow in story time, and then I'm gonna have another video posted up on Friday, because a lot of you already know that I have more time now if you have been following my story time. So I will see you all in story time tomorrow, and for a video up on Friday. You all have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you all in the next one. Blessings and thank you.